Good evening students, I welcome you all in my English class. Today we are going to discuss about pollution, a very interesting chapter written by Jyoti Saluja. It's a poem number 4 from your book, page number 72. So first of all, I would like to discuss a words and meanings of this chapter. So, earthlings. Earthlings means people who are living on the earth. All the people who are living on the earth known as earthlings. The second one is scorching. Scorching means burning, right? The next one, bear. Bear means to tolerate. The next one is emitted. Emitted means released or produced or generated. The next one is desolate. Desolate means barren, unfertile, empty. That is known as desolate. Bare. Bare means without any trees. Now we will discuss about phrases and its meanings. I had already told you in my previous video what is phrases and what, right? So the next one is take charge. Take charge means to take responsibility or control. The next one, with ease. With ease means easily. So I'm just going to read the poem and you all need to listen me very, very carefully. I'm just going to read it. Earthlings, wake up and take charge. I speak not to one alone, but to the world at large. The scorching heat of the sun is rather difficult to bear. It's all because of pollution that their ozone layer has a tear. Poisonous gases are emitted, and here you cut the trees. If you don't stop this, we shall not breathe with ease. So stop this destruction and start the repair. Let's make the earth green and not desolate and bare. The beautiful poem is written by Sanchit Saluja. Sanchit Saluja is a budding poet who likes to express his thoughts and ideas through simple and interesting rhymes. Okay, and you all know that what is rhyme. You have to just write down the rhymes and you have to send it to me. Okay, so earthlings, wake up. The poet is addressing earthlings. You all can say there is an exclamation mark, right? So the poet is addressing to the people of the earth who are living on the earth. He is just addressing to them and he is saying, wake up. He is saying, wake up, get up, the people of the earth. And take charge means now it's time to take the responsibility. What kind of responsibility is he talking about? Let's find out. I speak not to one alone. He is talking about a grave concern, that is pollution. And you all know that the world is full of pollution now. People are just throwing garbage everywhere. They are not taking the responsibility where to throw. Poisonous gases are emitted through their cars, through the factories, right? So the poet is very, very concerned about the pollution. Now he is just addressing to the people who are living on the earth. He is saying, wake up, get up, people of the earth, and take some actions. It's now the time to take responsibility. I speak not to one alone. Sanchit is saying that he is not speaking to any one person who are living on the earth. I'm just addressing to you all, but to the world at large. I'm saying that I'm talking to the people of the world, and this world is very large. This world is very big. I'm just talking to all the people to take their responsibility. The scorching heat of the sun is rather difficult to bear. He is again saying in the next stanza that if the people will not be responsible, if we will take not the responsibility to control the pollution, then the sun starts scorching. Means burning heat of the sun is very, very difficult to bear, to tolerate. If you will go to outside during the daytime, you will get to know that the sun is burning us ना, ऐसा feel होता है कि धूप हमें जला रही है. That's why the poet is saying that the burning heat of the sun we cannot bear if we will not take the actions. It's all because of pollution. And you know why sun is burning us? Because there is a layer in the atmosphere known as ozone layer. हमारे atmosphere में एक layer होती है that is known as ozone layer. But due to pollution, it's destroying now. There is a tear in that ozone layer, and he is saying that you will not control the pollution. If you will not control the pollution, then what will happen? Then you have to just tolerate the burning heat of the sun, right? Because of the pollution, that ozone layer is getting destroyed now, and it's destroying now. It's now time to take action, because ozone layer protects us from the harmful rays of the sun. But if you will not do any kind of action, if you will not take any kind of action this time, then what will happen? You have to just tolerate the burning heat of the sun. Poisonous gases are emitted. Again, the poet is saying in the poem that harmful gases are released, harmful gases are produced by the factories, by the cars, by the trucks, by the transports, right? So they are releasing harmful gases, and here you cut the trees and you are just using all these things in, you are just planting factories more and more. You are just buying cars, transports, and what are these things are doing? They are just making our earth polluted, right? They are making it more polluting. So you have to be very concerned about this matter, because poisonous gases are released, right? And even you are also cutting down the trees also, for making your homes, for making your houses, for making factories also, for making malls also. You are just cutting down the trees. So Sanjit is saying that you need to stop this. You don't have to cut down the trees. You just need to stop this which you are doing, because if you will continue to cutting down the trees, then we shall not breathe with ease. Then it's very difficult to breathe in this poisonous atmosphere, because trees are helping to us. Trees help us because they give us oxygen, they give us medicines, they are helping us by many ways, right? And they giving us the life giving oxygen, right? And if you will cut down the trees, then just tell me, how will you get that oxygen? You will not get that oxygen. And if you will not get that oxygen, just tell me, can you live on this earth? Can you breathe easily? No, you can't. So the poet is saying that if you want to breathe with ease, if you want to breathe easily, then what you have to do? You have to just stop this destruction. The destruction which is going on, people are cutting down the trees, they are just planting more factories, they are just buying more and more cars, transports, etc. They have to just control on this. That's why the poet is saying in the first stanza, take charge, means you have to take the responsibility and start the repair, and let's make the earth green. How can we repair the earth? We can repair it by planting new trees. For that we have to plant more and more trees. When we will plant more and more trees, it will help to repair the ozone layer also. It will help to absorb the poisonous gases of the trees also. And whenever we have lots of trees, then we will get fresh oxygen, and we can also breathe easily. And not to desolate and bare. If you want that your earth should not be desolate, should not be barren, or should not be without of trees, then you what have to do? You have to just plant more and more trees. Now moving to the question answer comprehension portion of this chapter. So the first question is, choose the correct option to answer of the following questions. So you have to it's a MCQ type questions, and you have to just tell me which one is correct. Who is the poet speaking to? The poet speaking to a human being, the first. The second word, to you only. The third, to his friend. And the fourth, to the world. So you know the answer. He is speaking to the world, right? What is the cause of the tear of the ozone layer? The cause of the tear in the ozone layer is pollution. What kind of gases are being produced? Poisonous gases, right? Poisonous gases are being produced. What will happen to the earth if we keep on polluting it? It will become desolate and bare. The next question is, how can help in decreasing pollution? The question is in your book. Who can help decreasing pollution? Obviously, earthlings can help in decreasing pollution. The people who are living on the earth, only they can help in decreasing pollution. The next question is, what are the effects of pollution? So the answer is, the effects of pollution are following: scorching heat of sun, ozone layer has a tear, poisonous gases are emitted, we shall not breathe with ease. The next one, what can be done to decrease pollution? Pollution can be decreased by planting trees, and by stop cutting trees, we can heal our earth green. Hope you liked the video. Hope you learned from the video also. If you like the video and if you learned also, then you have to just like the video, okay? And if you have any query, you can type in chat box. Thank